Hi, I'm Melissa Denning, Labour Scheme Facilitator and vegetablesWA, and this is the update coming to you now. We've been reasonably successful in the last couple of weeks about securing extra plane loads of seasonal workers to come in from the Pacific. We've currently got a group of 150 Tongans in quarantine that is due to depart in a couple of weeks and head out to some citrus, grapes and a few other farms around WA. We have another flight approved on the 28th of May, also coming from Tonga, which will assist further growers, especially in the vineyards. We are looking at bringing further planes in throughout the year, one flight in June and two further flights in July. With the announcement last week from our Premier about a dedicated hotel for seasonal workers, this has given us some extra assistance in ensuring that we've got space in our hotel quarantine. I will let you know also that today is my final day at vegetablesWA, and I will also be handing the baton across to Kit, who's sitting beside me, and he will be available on my phone 0477 477 044, and also the email address will be written underneath this here at vegetablesWA, and he'll be able to assist you. I'll hand you over to Kit.
Thanks, Melissa. My name is Kit. I'll be the new Labour Scheme Facilitator. As Melissa said, please don't hesitate to get in touch if you have any queries about the upcoming flights or any other needs regarding your Labour workforce needs. Look forward to speaking to you guys soon. Please don't hesitate to get in touch, and thanks to Melissa so much for this brief period we've been together, and obviously for all of her hard work over the last 20 months or so. Look forward to seeing you all soon.